at these freaking hooks.
Yes, sir. Tagged out, NC.
I don't film. Oh my god. Whew. It's 5 yards. 5 yards. In the pouring down rain. No, that's freaking awesome, dude. I say we get out of here and get warmed up and out of the rain, dude. It's freaking awesome. We'll get some cool pics and stuff. This is an awesome bird. They came in, did the business. Set that strutter up, man. Look at these freaking hooks. I know y'all can see that. How awesome is that? That's freaking awesome.
Yes, sir. Tagged out, NC.
Get outdoors, baby. Good job. That's a rope right there. We got set up on these birds this morning, and Garrett was running this film. You can see them. I told him they was gonna come out across the field, and I just had a feeling with my bad luck that was gonna happen, and it sure enough did. They strutted for about an hour across this field and took their deer time, and these jakes pitched down about 8:05, and we waited on them. Jared was getting antsy, and wanted to scare these jakes out the field, and I said just be patient with these jakes clear, and we let the jakes walk across the field, and we got the strutter, and we come over here to this side here where they strutted in, and they couldn't resist that dang strutting decoy, and we was able to get a double on film. I told Snapchat last night it was gonna happen. Said two's gonna come in, two's gonna go out. So I'm real blessed to get it done here in North Carolina. I spent a lot of time in South Carolina and couldn't get it done. The birds just weren't acting right, and we hunted up here in this storm Friday. And I was able to get one done. I spent a lot of time in South Carolina, and they're up here stomping birds, and I knew I could get it done here, and I'm real glad we got it done. So it's guns blazing for Freak Outdoors. We appreciate it, Jared. Hey, thanks for inviting me out.